hanapin natin yung ating daily combo. Daily first card natin ay ito, nakuha natin trading bots. Sunod ay hanapin naman natin yan sa special no cards. Eto, sports integration. Yan yung ating second cards. And sunod ay ano ba? Compliance officer. Ayun, ito. Hamstergram. Tingnan ko ito. Yo, nakuha natin yung price, 5 million. Yan, good job. So that's all guys. 9 million pa lang yung aking pero mataas na yung PPH ko. Meron na akong 851,000. Thank you.